seat and HVAC. So I got a question for you. All right, let's straighten that out a little bit better. It's a quick little video. Damn it. There we go. After my live stream tonight. So I'd like to know why a 60-something-year-old man kind of talks like this, changes out capacitors and cleans drain lines and installs train. Who can stop a train? And they never put proper transitions on their metal, and they run their gas lines in front of the furnace cabinet. How somebody like that comes on somebody's live stream with a bunch of fake names. I banned all his other ones. I banned him. I banned a million. And then he starts making up little fake names to get on there. What a childish thing. Apparently this gentleman, which I will not name, is a child, and I would not follow him if I was an HVAC. And just because he's been doing it for like 10 years, he thinks he owns the internet, like I said before, but he can keep changing his drain lines and, putting them valves on them drain lines so I can clean them out with my pump and my vinyl tube. And anyway, I'm not going to deal with his crap. If he wants to badmouth me, he can. I was just trying to do a live stream giving away this scale, and he comes on there with I think I had to ban 3 or 4 names that I know it was him, because you can just look them up and there's no content on their channel, nothing. So, obviously that guy is a child, and I'm not going to deal with him anymore. He's going to keep trolling if he wants to. Some people mentioned that I shouldn't put mine up against that Misfits of HVAC channel, which didn't have that many people watching either. So I don't know. I don't know. But I know Ted Cook there. Oh shit, I said his name. I'm sorry. I know that guy needs to shut his fucking mouth and needs to quit being a fucking troll. I don't troll him. I didn't even know he existed until I saw him somewhere. Then I start calling him out. The guy thinks he's the smartest HVAC guy on the internet, and you know what? He needs to cut his hair. I'm sorry, dude. The band didn't make it. I'm sorry. The band did not make it. You can cut your hair now. It didn't work out. I'm sorry. You had to go into HVAC. Go clean some drain lines. Go change some capacitors. Act like you're a fucking pro fucking service tech. And get the fuck off my channel and leave me alone.